Welcome back to Need It Now, your ultimate destination for the absolute coolest gadgets on the planet. Today, we are unlocking next-level car tech that will completely blow your mind. Hit that subscribe button, drop a comment, and make sure you do not miss out on upgrading your ride. Every single link is waiting for you in the description below before they sell out. Buckle up, because we are diving straight in. Staring at a faded, slippery steering wheel completely ruins your interior vibe. Upgrade your cockpit instantly with this premium carbon fiber cover. The laser-textured finish catches the sunlight to flash vibrant colors, giving your ride a sporty, high-end aesthetic the second you hop in. Forget bulky wraps. This slim, flexible design clips onto any 14 to 16-inch wheel in under 10 seconds with zero slipping. It is sweat-resistant, handles the heat, and shrugs off daily scratches. This simple shift for a massive cockpit upgrade is yours for just $19.99. Getting stranded in brutal snow or slick mud turns any road trip into a freezing nightmare. While traditional tire chains force you to crawl in the cold, moving your vehicle back and forth just to align them, these premium alloy manganese steel chains change the game completely. You get elite, unstoppable traction on ice, sand, and deep mud without the old-school struggle. The smart auto-fixing device means you just click and go. No rubber tighteners, no complicated setups, and absolutely no annoying pit stops to retighten them down the road. They lock firmly onto your tires in under 60 seconds, putting total control and peace of mind right back into your hands. Cleanup is just as fast, just rinse, dry, and pack them into the sleek included storage box. Securing your winter journeys with this ultimate roadside lifesaver comes down to $109.99. Watching your phone slam onto the floorboard during a sharp turn is incredibly frustrating. This flexible magnetic holder changes the game with 20 industrial-grade magnets that lock your device into a death grip, even on the bumpiest back roads. Built with a heavy-duty memory aluminum arm, you can bend and shape it to fit anywhere from your dashboard to right behind your center touchscreen. The smart detachable design uses a secure fastener system, allowing you to pop the entire mount off whenever you want a clean look. Upgrading to this level of rock-solid, hands-free navigation comes out to just $17.09. Driving a truck that blends into the dark makes you completely invisible on the road. Turn heads instantly with this premium 10-pod neon underglow kit. Packed with high-brightness LEDs, it pumps millions of vibrant colors and dynamic pulsing patterns right under your wheels. But this is not just for style. The Smart Brake Sync mode instantly forces every single pod to flash solid red the second you step on the pedal, alerting everyone behind you. Built with heavy-duty housing and ultrasonic welding, these pods are fully waterproof against mud, deep puddles, and high-pressure car washes. You can control the entire vibe from your phone or a wireless remote with zero complicated wiring. Elevating your off-road presence with this ultimate safety and style upgrade comes down to $58.99. Leaving valuables or firearms exposed in your car is an absolute gamble. This heavy-duty steel safe hides completely in plain sight right inside your seat headrest. It offers rapid biometrics, keypad, or hard key access while remaining totally invisible to thieves. This ultimate premium security upgrade is yours for $399. Driving with incorrect tire pressure drastically cuts your fuel efficiency and risks a sudden blowout. This smart wireless monitoring system sits on your windshield, updating tire temperature and pressure every second. It features 6 advanced alarm modes to alert you about hidden leaks or high heat before it becomes a roadside disaster. The display is solar-powered, keeping itself charged automatically without messy wires. This crucial shield of safety for your vehicle is an affordable upgrade for just $28.46. Changing lanes while guessing if someone is in your blind spot is a massive safety gamble. This 12-inch panoramic convex mirror clips onto your existing frame, expanding your view to eliminate blind zones completely. Crafted with premium high-definition glass, it delivers a crisp image without distortion, while the blue finish actively blocks harsh glare from high beams behind you at night. This small budget-friendly investment is yours for just $15.19. Glancing down at your dashboard even for a second takes your focus off the road, heavily increasing the risk of an unexpected accident. This upgraded 5.5-inch heads-up display eliminates that danger completely by projecting critical metrics directly into your line of sight. Using an advanced satellite system, it tracks velocity, compass direction, and altitude with pinpoint accuracy on any vehicle. The smart sensor automatically adjusts the large screen brightness to handle shifting weather, maintaining clear visibility during blinding noon sunlight or pitch-black midnight stretches. To ensure safe long-distance journeys, it features a custom multi-stage speed alarm along with a fatigue reminder. Setting it up takes under 2 minutes with a simple plug-and-play USB connection. Snagging this futuristic fighter jet cockpit experience requires an accessible upgrade of $31.99. Getting stranded on a dark highway with a dead battery or a flat tire is a complete nightmare. This heavy-duty 4,000-amp portable jump box handles both emergencies instantly, firing up massive gas or diesel engines up to 40 times on a single charge. It operates effortlessly even in extreme freezing temperatures down to -4 degrees. Built right into the rugged chassis is a powerful 150 PSI cordless air compressor that pumps up a flat tire in under 3 minutes with a smart auto shut-off system to prevent overinflation. The bright 2-inch LCD screen displays real-time pressure and battery life, while the built-in 3-mode emergency flashlight keeps you safe in the dark. Securing this ultimate roadside rescue tool takes an investment of $89.99. Driving a basic, boring ride makes you blend into the background. Elevate your aesthetic instantly with this massive 23-inch flexible LED panel. Using high brightness RGB chips, it blasts crystal-clear custom text and pulsing animations visible even during daylight. The Bluetooth app lets you control colors, speeds, and looping modes with a secure password lock. It is ultra-thin, waterproof, and sticks smoothly onto your glass. Upgrading your vehicle vibe is just $39.99. Fumbling with heavy jacks and dirty spare tires on the side of a busy highway is a dangerous nightmare nobody wants to deal with. This emergency aerosol canister changes the game completely by sealing tread punctures up to 1/4 inch in mere seconds, while instantly inflating your flat tire enough to lift the heavy rim right off the ground so you can drive away to safety. The specialized, eco-friendly formula is completely safe for your vehicle's tire pressure sensors and stores neatly in your trunk without taking up any premium space. It provides the ultimate hassle-free backup plan that gets you moving again without ever getting your hands dirty. Getting yourself back on the road safely and quickly requires an investment of just $13.99. Tangling with messy cables every time you slide into your driver's seat ruins the premium feel of your car's interior. This upgraded Minicube adapter converts your wired setup into a wireless system while sitting flush against your dash. It pairs effortlessly and automatically syncs your navigation and music playlists before you even back out of the driveway. Engineered with an advanced dual-band chipset, it slashes latency to 0 for instant touch responses, while side ventilation keeps the hardware perfectly cool on long drives. Upgrading to this cable-free luxury comes out to $99.99. Getting stranded on a quiet road with a flat tire is a frustrating headache that completely derails your entire schedule. This compact cordless tire inflator puts professional roadside rescue right inside your vehicle's glove box. Driven by a powerful 6,000 mAh battery, it pumps up a standard car tire from 0 to 36 PSY in just 6 minutes and inflates bicycle tires in a mere 15 seconds. It features 5 smart preset modes, real-time digital pressure monitoring, and an automatic shut-off system to prevent dangerous overinflation. If you ever forget to charge it up, the clever dual power design lets you plug it straight into your cigarette lighter port for immediate emergency backup power. It even features a built-in multi-mode LED flashlight to keep you perfectly safe while working in pitch-black darkness. Getting this absolute peace of mind for your daily journeys requires a small investment of $39.99. Crawling on a dirty driveway to spray mud and oil from beneath your car is a miserable chore. This 16-inch dual-function attachment eliminates that struggle completely by rolling smoothly under your vehicle to blast away stubborn grime. With a simple twist, it transforms into a wide water broom, utilizing 6 stainless steel nozzles to sweep driveways clean in record time. It handles up to 4,000 PSY and includes 3 quick connect extension wands to reach tight spots effortlessly without forcing you to bend over. Upgrading your routine costs just $44.99. Standard rear-view mirrors leave dangerous blind spots and offer 0 protection. This 10-inch smart touchscreen mirror replaces your glass with a clear front 4K and rear dual camera system. It utilizes high-speed Wi-Fi for fast video downloads to your phone, while advanced light balancing technology eliminates daytime glare and sharpens night vision. Packed with built-in GPS tracking and a collision-sensing G-sensor, it provides flawless security for your vehicle. Snagging this high-tech armor requires an investment of $110.49.